10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 50, 60, 7, 80, 89, 100, 100, 120. Feel the flow, count it gently. Multiplication is repeated addition. Multiply by 10, see where it lands. 10 times 1 is 10 in your hands. 10 times 2 brings you to 20, it's true. 10 times 3 and it's 30 for you.
10 times 4, now you're at 40 with ease. 10 times 5 gives you 50 to seize. 10 times 6, it's 60, so fine. A peaceful rhythm through every line.
Count with me, we'll go so far. Every number, a little star. Adding up with a tranquil glow. The 10 times magic, watch it grow.
10 times 7 brings 70 to play. 10 times 8 makes 80 today. 10 times 9 and we're at 90, shine. Let the whispers of numbers align.
10 times 10, we're at 100 steady. 10 times 11 brings 110 ready. 10 times 12 and you're at 120. Sing through the numbers, there's always plenty.
10, 20,